I replaced the floor tiles a couple of days ago. It has the spacers in it now. And now I have to do the grouting. So I'm going to work on that. Time to get started. Henry! Hello, Holly. Okay, well, I'm ready to start doing the floor tiles. I put them down the other day and now they've had a couple of days to dry, and now I'm going to grout them. So it will be so nice to be done with this project. I've been dreading it for a couple of years. Just floor tiles were coming apart and we weren't sure what to do, but we did research, and so I ended up fixing them myself. It took a lot of work, but at least it's done, and this is one of our last projects before we can actually put our house up for sale. Okay, here goes. I think it's just about done. Just have to wipe it off a little bit. I'm going to get some clean water and wipe it off and wash my tools off. But it looks pretty good. My next project is to take down these blinds and put some curtains up. The blinds are broken, so we need to change them. Okay, it's all done. Hopefully it looks better than it did before. I like it better. I think it looks really nice, and we can open the curtains to have it nice and bright in here. I like it. Oh, looks like Henry took off. Okay, done with that project, although it has to be fixed in the corner because I couldn't get the knob on because it's too close. It wouldn't fit, so I have to figure out what I'm going to do. Okay.